How to report someone on Instagram feeds, easy and quick. First, all you have to do just open Instagram feeds, and if you want to report a post, all you have to do just click these 3 points and then click reports. Now just select anything you want here and click next, and that's it. And if you want to report a profile, all you have to do is just go to any profile like this one and then click these 3 points and then just click report and do the same thing, and that's it for today's video. It's easy, and I hope this video is helpful for you, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.